Hi everyone! Today I'm doing an unboxing of my Nikon Coolpix P1100. Nikon just released this camera and I just received it today. So let's see what's inside. Currently I have the Nikon Coolpix P900 and that came out in around 2016, so it's nice to have a new camera. So here's all the paperwork that comes with it, the user's manual, a couple different languages. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when you receive it. It's packaged really nice. Take the side out first. So there's my new camera strap. Nikon. It does come with a hood for the camera, which is nice for shooting outside. And my USB-C cord. And it also comes with a battery. Alright, try to be gentle. This is much larger than the P900 and it's got a decent weight to it. Get this box out of the way. I think that's everything that was in the box. So it's a nice sturdy box. Okay. And here it is. So I'll be going around doing some filming with it today once I get it completely charged. I'm going to move some things out of the way and then I'll set my P900 next to it so you can see the size difference. Alright, so this is my good old P900. And you can see how much smaller it is compared to the P1100. Significant weight difference as well. So I'll just view it a little bit closer. This camera does have rock steady on it, which I'm really excited about because that's going to keep it a lot more stable for me. It also is 4K and it films in 4K, which is great. So yeah, look at the difference between the two cameras. It's pretty crazy. And I'm excited. So I'll probably go outside, do some wildlife birding shots, videos, and then go off tonight and get some good views of the moon if it's clear, as well as some stars, and see what we can do. I know the range on this is the same as the P1000, so there's just a few other specs that they've updated on it. So there's a dial up here where you can dial in your ISO. You can dial in your focus, I think, so you can use it for a couple different things. Pretty excited about trying this out. Okay, so I'll be having some more videos up soon with some updates on this and hopefully some really nice images for you.